In progress.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Top SST. Today I have come up with a new chapter, Lifelines of National Economy. Today we will be covering all the questions of the topic from roads. Okay, so whatever the questions related to the topic roads, we are going to cover today. Let us start. What are national highways? Okay, with the name itself, national highways. So national highways link all major cities of extreme parts of the country. So here your keyword is link all major cities of extreme part. So what is national highway? The first one is it link with major cities. These are primary road systems. They are maintained. So you need to write first national highways link all major cities of extreme parts of the country. And who maintains that? It is maintained by CPWD. C stands for central, P stands for public, W stands for work, and D stands for department. So CPWD. Okay, who maintains it? It is a CPWD. So the question can come for 2 marks. 1 marks is for this, what you are going to write. That is in it link all the major cities of extreme parts of the country. And who maintains? That will be for 1 marks. That is CPWD. Now, next one. What are state highways? Now we have learned about the national highways. Let's move to the state highways. Roads linking a state capital with different district headquarters. So here my keyword is different district headquarters. Okay, so where it links? So it links with the state capital, are known as state highways. Public Work Department, PWD. Okay, PWD in the state and the union territory maintain them. This can also be for 2 marks, or these two questions together can come for 2 marks. They can ask you, write any 1 or 2 differences between national highways and state highways. Okay, so maintenance of national highway is by CPWD and maintenance of state highways PWD. And national highways links all the major cities of extreme parts of the country, whereas state highways link a state capital with different headquarters. Okay, so the question can separately also come for 2 marks, or they can combine the question and they can ask you. What are district roads? Okay, what are district roads? Already you know, like, what are districts, what are states, what are cities. These all are the terms which you have already learned in your democratic politics. Now, what are district roads? Roads which connect the district headquarters. Okay, so state में क्या था? State capital with different districts. यहाँ पे क्या है? The roads which connect the district headquarters with other places of the district are called as district roads. Who maintains? It's a Jila Parishad who maintains the district roads. Okay, so we have learned national highways are maintained by CPWD. State highways are maintained by PWD. Then district roads are managed by ZP, that is Jila Parishad. Road density. Now, what is road density? Density का मतलब कितना है? The length of the road per 100 square kilometers of area is known as road density. This you should know as a general knowledge. Let's move. Okay, the question can come for 3 marks. The question can come for 5 marks. Even the question can come for 2 marks. As I told you, if you learn for 5 marks question, it is very easy to write these two. Very easy. Okay, let's start. Efficient means of transport are prerequisite of the fast development. Express your views in favor of this statement. What they are telling, transport is very important. Okay, if the transport is very good, what will be happening? There will be a fast development. How you can say, how you can justify. So the first one, Economic development of a region or the country very largely depend on the dense network of transport and communication. It's very important. If I want to develop any place, it is very important that I need to develop the roadways or like, any transportation system in that place, and the communication needs to be very good. The link, they should be link. Okay, the link areas of the production, which consumption, agriculture with industry and village with the towns and cities. They help if my transport system is good. Okay, how it will be a fast development, because it will link the industries, okay, by providing raw material and distribution of finished goods. They help in the development of all three sectors, that is primary, secondary and tertiary, and we very well know that these three are interlinked with each other. That is primary, secondary and tertiary. They help in balanced regional development. Okay, how balanced regional development will take place? Suppose, for example, take an example of place A, place B and place C. Suppose, for example, place A is having excellent transport, okay, and communication. B is not having much, C is having medium one. So here what will be happening? A will be developed very, like, it will start developing very fast because it can easily link with the places from where they can get the raw materials, okay, or where, like, from where they can establish their industry. C will be having moderate development, but B will not able to develop because there is no transport system, there is no communication. So if in case, if there will be equally, like, in all the places, the transport, communication, all the development will take place, what will be happening? All the regional development will balance. Okay, all the places will be having a balanced development. Okay, I hope you are understanding. It's a very, very easy chapter. Just with a general understanding, you will see that you will able to write the answers. But yes, in the chapter somewhere, like, you have to write, learn the same thing, whatever it's there, because you cannot change the name of the place. So those things you have to, agar simple language mein ratta lagana hi padega, you cannot, you have to mark those areas, and like, for example, pipeline network, you have to learn as it is. Waterways, okay, so national waterways, highways, that you have to learn as it is. You cannot change the name of the place. Okay, so but these all are the general understanding. With the understanding, you can write your own answer. Let's move to the next one. Name the following: the northern and the eastern station of Golden Quadrilateral Express National Highways. This can come as a question, okay? Which are the, like, write the four stations of Golden Quadrilateral Express National Highways, or they can take, right, specifically they can ask which is the southern and the western station, or they can ask you which is the eastern station, or they can ask you which is the southern station, or like, or they can just ask you to mark in the map. So the northern station is Srinagar, which is in Jammu Kashmir. Eastern station is Tilchar, which is in Assam. Southern station is in Kanyakumari, which is in Tamil Nadu, and western station is Porbandar, which is in Gujarat. Again, it's a 2 marks question. Name 3 major superhighways project. What is the main objective of this superhighways? Okay, first you need to understand what are superhighways. Superhighways, in a simple language, 6-lane road jahan par hoti hai, those all are the superhighways. Okay, why it is called as a superhighways? Because it is because first thing, it is linked between the it is Golden Quadrilateral superhighways are there, which is linked between the national the capitals. Okay, important capitals are linked. Then why it is important? Because the speed, the distance between the two capitals have reduced. So we have what 3 major superhighways are. The first one, Golden Quadrilateral superhighways, which is linked between Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai, Mumbai, and Delhi by 6-lane. As I told you, superhighways are 6-lane superhighways. Okay, 6 lanes road. The southern part, just now we have learned from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. देखो बिल्कुल सिंपल तरीके से याद करो. नॉर्थ, सबसे नॉर्थ में प्रीवियस आंसर में हमने ऑलरेडी लर्न किया है. नॉर्थ में कौन सा है हमारा? नॉर्थ में इज श्रीनगर. ओके, एंड सदर्न, north से southern, which is that is Tamil Nadu, that is in Kanyakumari. Okay, then we have Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai, Mumbai and Delhi. Okay, so Delhi, जहां पे मेरा ये suppose for example here is my Delhi. So from Delhi to Mumbai, again Mumbai to Delhi, Delhi to Calcutta, Calcutta to Mumbai, Mumbai to Delhi. Okay, so ये हमारा यहाँ पे triangle बन गया. East west quadrilateral linking will be Talcher. Somewhere here is my Talcher. Okay, Assam में है, then Assam से Gujarat. Okay, so this is how every important capitals are marked. Then what are the objective? Objective is to reduce time and distance of the mega cities in India. Okay, distance between two mega cities needs to be reduced. That's the reason they have established the 6-lane roads. Again, it can be, this question can be for 2+1. If they are only asking about the objective, they can ask you for 2 marks. With the objective, they can ask you any of the one of the super highways, North Station or Eastern Station, anything, 1+1. Let's move to the next one. What are rural roads? What special provisions has been made recently for this category of road? Which category of road? That is our रूरल. ओके, सो विलेज एरिया में, हाँ, मतलब एक अर्बन एरिया होता है, एक विलेज एरिया होता है. सो विलेज एरिया को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रूरल एरियाज. तो वहां पे कौन से प्रोविजंस बनाए गए हैं रिसेंटली विच कैन improve the roadways in those, like, you know, in the village area? It is, first you need to write what are the rural area roads. So it is link rural areas and the villages with towns. Okay, village or town or the cities को जो जोड़ती है उस road को हम ये बोलते हैं. So what are the special provision? These roads receive the special inputs under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana, PMGSY. Pradhan Mantri Gramin, G is Gramin, Sadak. Okay, because Sadak is a Hindi word. Sadak को ही हम English में roads बोलते हैं. Yojana, Yojana is nothing but program. Okay, so under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Yojana, these roads are developing. Special provisions are made so that every village in the country is linked to major towns in the city by all the season. Okay, what is all season? मतलब बारिश के दिनों में, गर्मियों में, every season these roads should be maintained very properly so that people can use these roads. What are border roads? Border का मतलब भी क्या है? Border. Okay, इंडिया का जहां जहां border है वहां पे border roads हैं. So what are these? Write their importance. 2+1 or 1+2. Okay, so roads that are linked along the frontiers of our country are known as border roads. Okay, जैसे हमारे गुजरात का border हो गया, जम्मू कश्मीर का border हो गया, नेपाल border हो गया. So these all, वहां पे जो जो roads होंगे, these are called as a border roads. Okay, जहां पे हम, suppose my country is like this. Okay, here Pakistan. So पाकिस्तान के वहां पे क्या होगा? बॉर्डर रोड होगा. ठीक है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज बॉर्डर रोड. जम्मू कश्मीर के वहां पे है, यहाँ पे हमारा मतलब यहाँ पे बॉर्डर मिलता है नेपाल और इंडिया का. सो दीज आर ऑल आर द बॉर्डर रोड्स. बॉर्डर रोड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया अंडरटेकिंग, दे कंस्ट्रक्ट. ओके, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के अंदर आता है जहाँ पे दे मेंटेन all the countries, bordering areas of the countries. These roads are of great strategic importance because we know that because safety purpose, and these all are the very, very important road, great strategic importance because when we share our border with some other country, it has to be maintained properly. Security should be there. Okay, so these all things plays a very important role. These roads have improved accessibility in the areas of difficult terrain. Difficult terrain का मतलब क्या है? जहाँ पे पहुंचना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Also helped in the economic development of these areas. Explain any 5 major problems faced by road transport in India. Okay, जब इतना develop हो रहा है तो definitely there will be some problems. So what are these problems? 3 marks question or 5 marks question? Most of the Indian roads are unsurfaced and are not suitable use of the, it is like, it is not unsurfaced means it is not been established properly or developed properly. Roads are not properly maintained. Okay, poor road surface cause heavy loss in wear and tear vehicles. Okay, so definitely this is one of the very, very important point where, like, poor roads end up in a very heavy loss in the wear and tear of vehicles. There are multiple checkpoints, toll tax, and outright duties collection points on the roads which bring down the speed of the traffic. हमने भी देखा है. Suppose, for example, take an example of Mumbai Pune. Okay, so when you travel from Pune to Mumbai, sometimes in the toll, so much of traffic is there. So because of there, what happened? The speed of the vehicle decreases, speed of the traffic reduces, which is waste of time, cause irritation and so now, like, that's the reason they have come up with the new like, they have come up with the cards. Okay, you show the card, you can easily move out. So it's not necessary every toll you need to stand and you need to give payment. You have the card, it is the sticker is on your car, so you can just take your car away. So these are, like, yes, problem has been identified, and government is trying to take out the solutions also. Many of the roads have inadequate capacity, weak pavement, unbridged level crossing, and lack of wayside amenities and safety measures. The roads are highly congested in the cities, and most of the bridges and the cultivators are old and narrow. So this is again a practical exam. Suppose, for example, if you are asking someone, like, how is Bangalore traffic, they will tell it is horrible. People don't want to come out, or if they want to travel inside the city, they always prefer that it should be before 6 o'clock or after 10 o'clock, so that they can reach fast. Otherwise, if you are in a traffic jam, maybe you will not able to catch your flight also. It's not only about Mumbai, it's not only about the Bangalore traffic. In Mumbai also, all the major cities, okay, the roads are very congested, and it's very difficult to expand the road. That's the reason now they have come up with the metros and other things, so that the road traffic can be reduced. I hope you have understood all the points, important points from roads. Tomorrow, we will be learning about the railways, and we will be learning about the comparison between roads and railways. Keep tuning to my channel to upgrade yourself. Thank you.